Welcome back, ladies. How you are doing today? I hope you all are having a great day. Thank you all so much for stopping by today. I appreciate you all. God bless you all.
Do you believe in love? How crazy it could be, baby, stop. Take it easy.
So for today's video, I am collaborating with this company called TTDEYE. They are into contact lenses. If you're a lover of Halloween, you know we're in October right now. If you know you're a lover of Halloween, you're going to love their website. They have Halloween contact lenses. They have the ones that are natural. They have the ones that are 1 month supply. You know, if you want to do a year supply, they do have it. They have beautiful contact lenses on their website. Also, they do prescription. If you want to have a prescription contact lenses, yes, they can do that for you. If today is your first time coming across my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and do turn on your notification post so as to get notified whenever I have a new video. I am going to be leaving the link to the company I'm collaborating with today. I will leave it in the description box. Also, my discount code which you can use to enjoy additional discounts from your purchase. Receive 4 contact lenses from them. They all come in a beautiful packaging. They're very colorful, very bubbling colors that you be so attracted to. I love the packaging. It is beautiful. You all can see it on the screen. Inside the box you have sticker too. If you're a lover of sticker that you like to personalize your item one way or the other, they have just a little sticker in there for you to use to personalize your item. Also, these contact lenses came with a contact lenses case that you can store your contact lenses inside of it. Also, they recommend, for me, even if it's not recommended, I always soak my contact lenses for like over 8 hours before I use them. So I went ahead and I removed them and placed them into their cases and put my contact lens solution into each cases so that I can soak it. Inside the package that it came, it has like a chunky glitter. I think it's called holographic glitter if I am not wrong. And also it came with a mirror which is absolutely beautiful. Look at the mirror. I know you have seen it in my unboxing, but I just wanted to show you. This is how the mirror look like, and it has the TTDEYE symbol logo at the back, and it says the third eye. It's pretty, it's very comfortable, it's very small. I love it, and you can easily use this to apply your lenses too. You can use it when you're doing your makeup or you just want to touch up. I like the idea that they are included this in their package. Of the the instruction that came with it, it said they have their do's and don'ts. Make sure you wash your hands like I mentioned before. Replace your lenses every 3 months. They recommend that, and throw out the solution in your lenses case after you put your lenses in your eyes. You don't want to transfer germs, putting it back in there. You throw it out. If you're going to put another one, it's recommended, but don't put that same lens into that solution again. You're transferring germs. That's what I believe it is. And they said don't wear your lenses longer than the prescribed amount of time. Don't go underwater. Of course, who wants to go swimming with lenses on? Some people might want to try it, but they don't recommend it. Don't use water to clean or store your lenses. That is not advisable. You don't know what is inside the water. You don't know what kind of germs that is flowing into it. All right. And also, don't sleep in your contact lenses. Remember, it is not your natural eyes, so you cannot sleep in it. You have to take them out. So ladies, after mentioning all this important advice by TTDEYE, I'm going to go ahead and put the first one in, put the name on the screen. I believe the rest of this video will be self-explanatory. I don't have to talk. I'm just going to be putting the names of each lenses that I'm trying on. I'll put them on the screen for you to be able to know which one. And please do not forget to let me know in the comment section which one is your favorite among this one. Don't forget, I'm going to leave my link in the description box in order for you to be able to shop with additional discounts. When you wash your hands, make sure they are really clean before you start putting it into your eyes. We're talking about your eyes here. You don't want to transfer germs into your eyes. I use glasses already and I don't want to damage my eyes furthermore, so I already washed my hands. In case I'm going to be using the applicator, I might use it, I might not use it, depending on how comfortable I am with the application. Anyways, I know I said I wasn't going to talk during the application, you know, on the presentation. All right, I have the first one in right now, and the reason why I chose to talk over this is because this will really be appropriate, very good for Halloween. This one is called Elf Purple, and look at it. I'm still going to zoom in. I just wanted to let you know how I feel. I could see very good. It was very easy to apply. It's very soft and it feels like my natural one in my eyes. I can move my eyes all around without feeling any kind of tension. I really like it. You are lucky bleeding. I don't know why you act like you're innocent. You wanna take a piece of my heart again. I get it, 'cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. Hope you all enjoy watching this video. I will leave the link in the description box for my discount code, also the link to the website of TTDEYE. Thank you so much for collaborating with me. Thank you all so much for watching once again. Please leave me comments in the comment section. Let me know which one is your favorite. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.